Hey guys, this is Laura with McLeod Homestead, and today I am down in my basement and we are going to work on building a chicken feeder out of a garbage can and some PVC pipe. And I'm going to take you up to the chicken coop and show you exactly why I'm going to be doing this build. Okay, so right here is the food trough that I use. And I don't know if you can see it or not. I clean it out. But we get rabbit poop in here. Why do we get rabbit poop? Because we have a stray rabbit that likes to come in and visit and eat some of the feed. Look at all the waste. It's all over the ground. And at times, these pretty ladies will also make their mess in here. It'll also eliminate some of the extra containers that are in here. But while I'm here, I will get them fed. Oh, while we're here, we'll grab the couple eggs that are here. Thank you, pretty ladies. So now that I'm back down here in the basement, the last reason why I want a bigger feeder like that, the waste, the cleanliness, and the fact I do not want to have to continue to feed them every single night. Make sure their food, I want to be able to put their food into a container that I know is going to be safe from moisture and anything else that could arise, and that maybe every couple months I have to refill. So much easier, helps take the workload off of me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure up 2.5 inches and put a line. Now that my line is drawn, I'm just going to take and draw a circle. Now I'm just going to drill out the hole. Once you've got your hole made, then you can take your scissors, tin snips, and go around and clean it up. So now that we have the hole made, we can test it out by fitting it through. Okay guys, I'm sitting on my basement floor, but I don't know if you noticed, but on this, I cut this part out. So that way, when it's in the garbage can like this, the food will drop and will fill up in here for the chickens to be able to get their feed. And what I'm doing to cut this out is just using this tool right here. It's loud, it's obnoxious, not gonna show you, but it works great to cut it out. I'd be done with this because they fit decent in there, but I want it, there's, you know, obviously some space. So I went and I bought some Flex Seal, and I'm going to put around where they connect. So come here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Not sure if you can see, like, there's space right here. This is kind of tight, but I'm going to use the Flex Seal. Here we are. We're up in the chicken coop. I don't know if the chickens will try it out or not right now, but that's the inside. Let's dump some feed in there. If we look inside, we can see the feed right there. filled right up for the chickens. So there we go. Got it filled with feed, and it's ready for the chickens. So hey guys, in this section you will see what I am talking about with the chickens getting into their feed trough and leaving their messes. So I really hope you enjoyed yourself and you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you on the next video. Toodles!